Hi, this is Carrie Delano from Trauma Services. Today we're talking about how to properly don and doff personal protective equipment. Full level C PPE donning procedure. First, you'll put on your 6mm nitrile clean glove. You will then don your level C biohazard suit. Next, don your 16mm blood glove. You will then don your bootie. Don your N95 mask, followed by your eye protection. You'll finish the procedure by putting on your head protection. Full level C doffing procedure. You'll start by removing your contaminated footwear. Make sure you turn all contaminated items inside out. Next, you'll doff your contaminated outer glove. Make sure you pinch the wrist and turn the gloves inside out. Next, you'll doff your suit. Roll the suit down and turn it inside out. You'll then remove your eyewear and your mask with your clean gloves, followed by removing your last set of gloves. Pinch the wrist, turn them inside out. Hey guys, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Remember, Trauma Services is the preferred partner with law enforcement and first responders from throughout New England. If you have any questions about our services, training program, or PPE program, or any of the information that you saw today, please don't hesitate to contact us and visit our website at www.traumaservices.com. Have a great day.